be showing you what's inside a mosquito killer. I mean, kinda bad. Let's get started. Guys, I already broken one, and the compartments inside are these things: resistors, insulators, and kind of plug, light, battery. Okay, let's break another one. Let's go. Guys, now let's break this. Let's break this, guys. The first part, mesh, something like that. Guys, as I said, this is a working mosquito killer bat. Not a broken one already. Maybe this was brand new, I suppose. I don't know exactly. I got already pretty fine. I'll break them up now. This now is coming apart, guys. Need some better plans. Let's break this, guys. That's a blow. Guys, it's bleeding. No, I don't care. Let's break this up. One more part goes there. Not coming. Ow. Pretty hard though. There goes one more part. Let's break it from here, maybe. Wow, guys, I got a battery there. Maybe it's blown, but it's brand new, right? No, it's maybe not. Let's break this up then. Guys, way number 2 to break this. Shoe power. It's working, guys. Way 2 is good. Thanks to these awesome shoes. Let's see what we got. There are some parts. I got a button. I can see a button there. Motherboard and some more equipments. I really don't know what are those. Let me know in a minute. Guys, if you know that, then please comment below and let me know too. Guys, please subscribe for this video. We'll be doing more of this crazy stuff every week. Minor parts. My blood's gone. I didn't see that coming. Guys, I got something. Motherboard, wire. Those are pretty handy. Resistors. Guys, I got a pretty cool button. Can hear the sound there. That wraps it up, guys. For more videos, please subscribe and please comment. Okay, peace out. Guys, if you liked the video, then please subscribe and give a thumbs up for more cool videos.